Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Creative Coders. In this tutorial, we are discussing about a program that is swapping of two numbers using Python programming. Now let's start with the code. If you are new on the channel, then first subscribe the channel. This is the editor window of Python shell. Let's take two variable a and b. Value for a is 5 and value for b is 10. Then how do you swap these two values? For this, we take third variable normally. Now the third variable is temp. Temp equals to a equals to b equals to temp. After that, again print value of a and b. Then save the code and run this. So we can see value is printed 10 and 5. That means value of a is 10 and value of b is 5. So swap this value. But this is the normal method. We also use formula for this and without using third variable. Formula for this is we enter a equals to a plus b, b equals to a minus b, a equals to a minus b. Again save the code and run it. See again the printed value for a is 10 and b is 5. So again swap the values. And one more technique for this swapping is XOR technique. This time we change the number. Here we enter 15 and for the a it's 20. The XOR technique is we enter a raised to b, b equals to a raised to b and a equals to a raised to b. Save the code and run. Now we see printed value for a is 15 and printed value for b is 20. That means it swap the values using XOR technique. So we see three techniques for the swapping of numbers. And we have one more technique that is amazing about the Python, which is this is only present in the Python, not other languages. It is simply say that a comma b equals to b comma a. That means first time we stored variable a, that value next time stored in variable b. So save the code and run this. we can see value are swapped. Value of for A is 15 and B is 20. Our output is swap numbers. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for notification of upcoming videos.